Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm Jason Wehrli with WCFab, and today we have our L5P Duramax stainless turbo pedestal. All right, so here we have our 316 cast stainless steel turbo pedestal for the 2017 to 23 model L5P Duramax. For the 24 plus owners, we're going to have the version for those trucks coming very shortly, so stay tuned. So the turbo pedestal on the L5P Duramax is a little bit different than the pedestal on all of the prior year Duramaxes 01 to 16. On the earlier trucks, the pedestal was a part of the turbocharger. There was no separate component. When GM redesigned the L5P Duramax in 2017, they went to a conventional turbo pedestal with a turbocharger that bolts to the pedestal. So essentially creating an additional component that didn't used to be a thing until before 2017. The factory turbo pedestal is cast from regular iron, bolts to the engine block, your turbo up pipes connect to the pedestal, and then the turbocharger by way of dowel pin and 4 bolts to the pedestal. The casting of the OEM pedestal, as you can see here, has a very thin flange where the up pipes connect. On applications where your performance turbochargers are installed, performance tuning, you're running these trucks past the OEM limits, the flange of this OEM turbo pedestal is very prone to warping and causing leaks at the up pipe connection. Additionally, we've seen several instances where the factory cast steel housing actually cracks, and even in some extreme cases, the wall thickness completely blows out. That can lead to very poor performance. Another issue that we commonly come across with the OEM pedestal is when removing the OEM up pipes to install aftermarket high flow up pipes like our package, the factory hardware will commonly break off inside of the pedestal. The hardware on the L5P Duramax is stainless steel, and trying to drill and easy out and remove that broken hardware is very difficult. In most cases, when you've got broken up pipe hardware in the pedestal, like you see here with this OEM pedestal with broken bolts, it's very difficult to remove that hardware, and you're better off just changing pedestals. We've decided to come up with an upgraded version, essentially provide you a higher quality, made in the USA component. If you're installing our high flow manifolds and up pipes, or if you're installing a turbocharger upgrade, it's a perfect opportunity to install our high flow pedestal. So what we've done in CAD is we've looked at the OEM component, we've looked at cross-section cutaways of the OEM component. We found the areas where the wall thickness is thin, which are the areas where we see the cracks and the component melting and blowing apart. And we essentially produced a high-flow pedestal with thicker, consistent wall thickness throughout the whole component. We don't need to worry about cracks. We don't need to worry about blowing holes in the pedestal. And most importantly, we increased the thickness of the flange at the up pipe. There is absolutely no way this pedestal is going to warp. It's not going to crack. It's not going to leak. This is a component that you do not need to worry about. And to top it all off, we've port matched the up pipe connection. So where the up pipes connect on this side, we are matching the gasket and the inside diameter of the up pipes. If you're running our high flow 2-inch up pipes, which are much larger than the OEM components, these are a nice perfect match to the gasket and to the up pipe, creating a nice, smooth transition from up pipe to pedestal. No wall, no edge, no turbulence issues. From that section up to the inlet of the turbocharger, we've kept a consistent flow path through solid modeling and flow software. So the exhaust is nice and smooth flowing to the inlet of the turbocharger exhaust housing. So the OEM pedestal here, we were actually able to increase the size to better match the exhaust housing of the turbocharger. And just like OEM, we're using alignment dowels so that that turbo sits perfect right in the exact same spot and matches up perfect to that opening. So this pedestal, not only is it stronger, more robust, not going to have to worry about failures and leaks, it flows about 11% more than the OEM component with these changes we made through the center section, the inlet, and the outlet of the pedestal. As I mentioned, it is cast in the USA from 316 stainless steel and machined here in-house at WCFab. Another thing that we are including with the kit is upgraded ARP chromoly hardware. The factory bolts that hold the turbo housing to the pedestal are stainless steel, just like the up-pipe bolts. And we do not want a stainless bolt going into the stainless steel pedestal and causing issues. And the thread class fitment of the OEM bolt is not ideal for the thread type that we're using in our pedestal. So we do not want to use the OEM hardware with this pedestal. We want to make sure we're using the upgraded ARP hardware at the up-pipe connection, which is a part of your up-pipe kits. And then we also are going to include the ARP hardware for connection of the turbo to the pedestal. Additionally, we're including the gaskets for the up-pipes, and typically this pedestal is going to be getting installed when you're doing a turbocharger install. And obviously when installing turbochargers, you're going to need a turbocharger gasket kit, and that's a separate item. We didn't want to wrap the gasket kit of the turbocharger in with the price of the pedestal because it's typically being installed with a turbo. No need to raise the price of this kit and then you end up with double the components because you're doing a turbocharger upgrade at the same time. If you're not doing a turbocharger upgrade and you're just looking to install the pedestal only, then we'll have that drop-down option for the gasket kit. This particular pedestal here on our initial release is for 2017 to 23 model year fitments. The 2024 turbocharger housing and bolt pattern is different. This pedestal is not compatible on 24 plus trucks, and we have a separate version in the works that we'll be releasing at a later date for the 24 plus model trucks. All the exact same features, same material, machining, here in-house, made in the USA, all the same benefits and upgrades as our 17 to 23 pedestal. So that wraps up our high-flow stainless steel pedestal for the L5P Duramax. If you've got any questions about this product, our manifolds and up-pipes, drop-in turbocharger upgrades, feel free to leave a comment below or reach out to our sales team, and we would be happy to help. Thanks a lot for watching.